So using your Google My Business page for local SEO is the very first thing that you need to do and take care of if you want to be getting clients from Google. So I am doing a regular search for top real estate companies in New York, and I'm on the search page. And when I scroll down just a little bit, I can see there are actually four, together with a sponsored one, businesses displayed in what is called a local pack or a 3-pack. Every business wants to be here, and here's why. One, we can see their business name, their working hours, their star rating, and a link to their website right there. But probably the most important reason here is because when you are searching on your phone, you have a button to click and call the business. So these businesses in this 3-pack or a local pack are getting the absolute majority of calls. No one's looking down here to search for more information. Most of the people are looking for what's in here, and they contact one of these businesses. So these businesses get the absolute majority of calls every single day. Now, if we click on more businesses, we can see we have many more in here. Well, in fact, all of these businesses are getting clients from here because many people will actually use the map search, the search on maps, to find the service provider. So how to use your Google My Business page for local SEO? Well, you need to have it optimized properly. You need to fill all of the information that is necessary. You need to have your working hours, your business information, your photos. You need to have some posts in there. And of course, a few reviews. Positive reviews will also help. So if you need help setting it up and optimizing your Google My Business page, if you need help getting clients from your Google My Business page, I will be happy to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.